Ordering. Future dating pending orders. From the summary screen, you can select the date for an order. If you would like to forward date the order, tap on the date field, then select the date for the order to process, and then tap Finish Order. The order will automatically change to pending and will be uploaded with the forward date. To view any pending orders, go to the Order History screen. Using the order filters, tap on Status and select Pending. This will display a list of all pending orders. Your system can be configured for pending orders to submit right away with the forward date or be held as editable right up until the forward date. If you can see pending orders in your order history, then the orders will be editable right up until the selected date.